Hello students, I hope you all are well and enjoying at home. Today we are going to begin with the second lesson of English. It is Amazing Pets. This is the story of one boy named Divya. One day Divyam's mother was at home and waiting for him. After completing her house chores, she was thinking that so many days have passed and I have not given sufficient time to Divya. She was planning that from now onwards I will give sufficient time to Divya because now he is a teenage and she want to know him better. She was deep in her thoughts and all of a sudden she heard Divyam knocking at the door. Divyam entered the house with lot of excitement and shouting, "Mom, I want a pet. I want a pet. I want an aquarium. Can I keep fish as a pet?" Mother was surprised at what happened today. Why he shouting? Divyam was so happy. He told his mother that, "Mama, you don't allow me to keep dog and cat as pet since they dirty the house. But fish, there is no problem with it. Fish doesn't dirty the house." Mother also thought that yes, keeping an aquarium in a living room is a good idea. She told Divyam that you just go and have a research and find out which type of fish we can keep. And taking care of fish aquarium is solely your responsibility. You need to know everything about fish aquarium, how to keep, how to clean it, and what the fish will eat, how to feed them, how to take care of them. Divyam was agreed on this point. Mother had given him lunch and they both had went for rest. While mother was resting, Divyam has done his complete research. To her surprise, by 4:30, Divyam came back to mother and told, "Mom, I have completed my research and now I want to tell you that I have shortlisted few fishes. You just see and then tell me which we will buy." Mother said that since this is the first time we are keeping the fish, so first we will buy only 2 so that you will learn more how to take care of them. Then we will buy more. Divyam was agreed on this point. Divyam was very enthusiastic about his new family members. He brought all the colorful pictures and printouts to show Mama. She told that, "Mama, please come and sit. I will tell you about each and every fish." Okay, so let's start. He showed the very first picture. This is the picture of flame angel. These fishes look little different but not too beautiful. And Mom said that you must be joking. They are very beautiful with vibrant color and they are easily available and affordable also. So this is the best choice. Then second one. Oh, this is so beautiful. It is called regal tang. They are strange looking fish. It is also called dory fish. Mama said, "Oh, what a strange name. Who would buy it? It looks so funny. And look at its tail. It looks so sharp. Look here, it says that it has a small retractable blade towards its fin." So, this was also a good idea. But Mom said that it can hurt you, so we will not keep this fish since its tail is very sharp. Next comes koi. They are generally orange or white in color. However, there are more than about 100 color variations of koi. They come in many colors including orange, red, white, gold and black. Certain patterns are sought after by keen koi collectors who are ready to pay thousands of rupees for a single fish, said Divyam. So, they are also fine to keep as a pet. And the last one is mandarin. Oh, it is looking so ugly. Lesser than that is a lesser known species. It is also difficult to feed them. Where we will get the small micro invertebrates that live within the live rock in coral reefs. This is the only food they eat. We need to be very, very careful. But Divyam said, Mama, they are the most colorful and vibrant species, and they do not cost more than rupees 1000 for a specimen. Divyam told Mama, it will cost only rupees 1000 for a specimen. And as for the live coral rocks, I have already talked to a biology lab assistant in our school, and he said that he will give me the address of the shop where the school gets it from. Mama was so much impressed with the Divyam's hard work he has done to get the aquarium in the house and keep fish as a pet. She promised Divyam that tomorrow they both will go and purchase fish for them. And after all, Divyam deserves to be rewarded for his hard work. So, dear children, that is all about amazing pets.